Hello, my beautiful people. This is Emma, and that means you are back here on my YouTube channel where I trade on pocket option and also share some really cool, efficient strategies with you, some insights, and some trading skills you can only acquire with my experience and my knowledge. And I'm very happy to share with you those things. So I have a strong feeling today's session on pocket option is going to be absolutely wonderful. So don't know what that noise is outside, but it's pretty freaking loud. But I'm gonna be 100% focused on my trading session. So without further ado, let's get going, shall we? Well, I'm gonna start with $136 and let's go right away. There is a very strong buyer on the CHF and the price breaks through all the moving averages and the Donchian midline. ADX is signaling growth, so the only way here is the way up. Let's go for a long here. All right, time to do it. Darlings, and if you like the educational approach to strategy and you want to grow your trading account consistently, I highly recommend you to check out my Telegram channel. You will find the link below this video, and that's the one place where I share everything I know about trading with you. So if you're still not there, I honestly don't know what you're waiting for, because that valuable information is certainly waiting for you. Don't miss out. Ooh, $261. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Great, great, great result. All right, I think it's time to switch up the asset pair and see what we can do on this market. $261.12 is my next bid. And look at that. A large seller enters a pair and it couldn't consolidate in the long zone of the channel. You see the price moved back under the moving averages. The ADX still points down. I love this weather. It's very sunny. You can probably see the sun kissing my face, but it's like the air is crispy. You know what I mean? Not like humid heat, but you walk outside and it's like crispy apple weather. That's what I call it. I may be a little romantic when it comes to, this nature descriptions, but seriously, it's so nice. $501 is also very nice. What do you say? And we are still just in the beginning. I think it's a wonderful result and it makes me want to keep going. Okay, so let's pick our next pair. What's up with the ADX? And I'm gonna do $501.31. All right, so you see that the price steadily follows the moving average upward, and the ADX gives us a strong buy signal. And this movement is without any retracement. So I'm immediately entering a call option. Time to go all the way up. Speaking of the profits, if you want to build consistent results, and if you want to grow your trading account, one thing you gotta do, and it's just one thing, go to the link below this video and join my Telegram channel, because the info you'll find there, you won't find it anywhere else. I handcrafted it, and my profits speak for itself. $952. You see how fast we got from $136 to almost $1,000? Yeah, it's a matter of minutes if you know what to do and if you have the right mentor. Okay, what's up on this market? Well, max $962.59 as my next bid. Perfect. And there is a very strong bearish trend. Do you see it, guys? It's crazy. We are breaking the support. Look to the left here. And earlier, the midline and the moving averages were broken very quickly. An oscillator shows there is still room to fall. So we're gonna go ahead and enter a put option. When it's fallen, it's fallen. So I'm just gonna wait for that drop. $1,848.17, guys. It's almost $2,000. Literally, almost $2,000. Oof, I'm so excited, and that's not even the end. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, let's get the next pair. Wow, I'm like goosebumps. All right, time to get it up. $1,848. You saw it right, my next beat. And right now we are breaking upward from the sideways range visible by the moving average cluster and the price at the downtrend midline. So that's gotta be a call option. Time to go up. Time to go up and get the profits. Love it. Just love today, and I love trading. And you know, I think when you love what you do, that makes you the happiest person in the whole wide world. So I'm very lucky, but it's not just luck, it's a lot of effort. So never forget the effort part. And I guess there's strategic thinking. You gotta know what you want, and then you figure out the way to get there. $3,548. I am in awe. This is more than I could wish for, but that's the way the trading world works. You implement your skill set, you make the right decisions, the informed ones, and you get the profit. And you stay focused. So I'm gonna do the max once again, $3,548. And I can see that we rebounded downward from the red moving average. It acted as a resistance again. You see the patterns? I do. The trend is continuing into shorts, and ADX is showing us there is a room for decline, so put option. Let's do it. $6,813. Guys, I think it speaks way louder than the words. The numbers are way louder than anything I could say right now. I'm just gonna say I'm really happy with this outcome, and I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did, because it was truly fascinating. And darlings, thank you so much for being here, for all your support and comments and likes and shares. That means a lot to me. And if you want to grow your trading account and explore profitable strategies, I'm waiting for you in my very special Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you join me there to get your trading game to the whole new level. Please stay amazing as you always are, and I will see you very, very soon.